Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be doing a quick 5-minute warm-up exercises to improve your brush control. I'm using round brush for this exercise. You can take any medium-sized round brush, load it with little paint. Let's start with simple curved lines. Move your hand in a gentle curve, like you are drawing a small waves or petals. The goal is not perfection, just feel the flow of the brush. This will help you create natural organic shapes. If you hold your brush close to the ferrule, you will have more control and precision. But if you hold your brush farther from the ferrule, your hand becomes more relaxed and free. This gives you looser, more expressive strokes, perfect for backgrounds, blending, or larger shapes. You will notice your lines flow more naturally because your wrist and arm move together. Just 5 minutes of this warm up every day can make a huge difference in your brush control and confidence. Over time, you will notice your strokes becoming smoother and more expressive. Don't hold the brush too tightly. A gentle grip gives you smoother and more natural strokes. Next, let's try horizontal lines. Move your brush side to side in one smooth motion. This exercise helps you maintain even pressure and control your hand movement. This is great practice for painting horizons, water reflections, or background layers. They train your hand to control the flow of paint and pressure, which is key for creating peaceful, balanced compositions. Now let's try vertical lines. Keep your wrist relaxed and use your whole arm instead of just fingers. Vertical strokes give structure to your painting. They help you build stability and precision, especially useful when painting elements that stand tall like trees, lampposts, or buildings. Now let's move on to seed curves. These are small half circles. They are wonderful for painting leaves, petals, or waves. Seed curves train your hand to flow with confidence and rhyme. Once you master them, your brush strokes will look more natural and expressive. Keep your wrist relaxed. Let your hand move in a smooth arc. Think of writing a soft letter C. Practice both directions, forward and reverse C, to build flexibility in your wrist and arm. Now let's move on to S curve. They are elegant and flowing, perfect for branches or hair-like textures. Move slowly and feel the rhyme of your brush. The round brush naturally creates these graceful lines when your hand relaxes. Even if you have only a 5 minutes a day, make it your creative ritual. Keep your hand loose, your mind calm, and let your brush guide you. Remember, great paintings are built on small, consistent efforts. You're not just practicing lines, you're building muscle memory and artistic rhyme. If you enjoyed this warm up and want to keep practicing, do join my 7-day painting course. The link is in my bio. And don't forget to subscribe for more free tutorials.